Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I just went to my local Michael's and when I went inside they had some lovely crochet kits that were on the end cap. They all had names and I thought that was really cute. So what I'm going to do is I am going to show you up close and personal these cute little amigurumis. So if you are an amigurumi lover, this is going to be right up your alley. Or if this is something that you want to try that you haven't done before, maybe this will give you some encouragement. For those of you that are local and in the Virginia area, I went to the one that is in Virginia Beach. All right, the Constitution Drive. That is the Michaels that will have the loops and threads crochet kits you're about to see now. Enjoy. I am going to use Bo the Bear as an example. Isn't he adorable? So right here it says Intermediate Bear Amigurumi Crochet Kit by Loops and Threads, and you can see everything at a glance that is included. You can get 30% off of the regular price with the code HelloFall, but that is online only. This is just showing the back of the crochet kit. Here is a closer view. You can pause it if you like so you can read it up close, but I will be going line by line on some of the information except for the care instructions. In the description online, it says, craft an adorable stuffed toy that makes a wonderful handmade gift for kids and adults alike with this amigurumi crochet kit from Loops and Threads. A lovely way to relax on a free afternoon or rainy day. This kit includes all the tools and materials you'll need to stitch up a friendly bear named Bo. Bo the Bear is 6.5 inches by 4.75 inches by 2.75 inches. This is an intermediate pattern. The estimated time to complete this project is 8 hours. There is an instruction sheet that is included. Each kit will list the contents. This particular one will have 2 plastic eyes, 1 plastic nose, some poly floss color, a plastic and metal needle, 2 plastic buttons, and the polyester fiber fill. And of course, 4 polyester yarn colors. If you don't have a crochet hook, Loops and Threads thought of that and put a plastic one in there. The ice cream amigurumi was not in the store, but you can get it online, and also the hippo as well. These amazing Loops and Threads crochet kits reminded me of some of our content creators and some of our friends on the YT streets. They are adorbs, so I wanted to share them with you, but stand by for a shout out to some of them. Let me know in the comments which one of these crochet kits are your favorite. Thank you so much for tuning in to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I greatly appreciate you. You all have a wonderful weekend. Make sure you like, share if you would, and also subscribe if you are new to my channel. Make sure you turn the bell on so you won't miss a notification. Have a great day, and as I always say, remember to live each day as if it were your last.